Here are a few activities and exercises for Standard 5 English, Unit 1, Boundless Nature, the story of an orange. Here are a few keywords, meanings which you can write it in your notebook. Trade, business between two companies or countries. Mandarin, a small and sweet type of orange. Marmalade, a food item made with oranges or lemons. Peel off, to take off skin of fruits or vegetables. You can write it in your English notebooks. Here is another activity. You need to study the following conversation and you need to write the missing part in your own words. So here there is a talk between two friends, Rohan and Amita. They both are having a conversation. Rohan is asking Amita something and you need to fill in the blank in the conversation of Amita. So according to what Rohan is asking, we need to fill in the blanks. So first just let us read and understand. Rohan, hello Amita, are you okay? Amita, hi Rohan, I'm good. I look a bit untidy because. Rohan, oh, so you were busy cleaning the school playground? So now based on this dialogue, you need to fill in the above dialogue of Amita. So you need to understand that how this conversation is going on. Amita, yes, we started at and finished it only at fill in the blank. Rohan, oh, I see. So you work for more than 5 hours. So depending on this dialogue, again we need to fill in the blank of Amita above. Amita, yes, but we enjoyed it. I am going to tell my mom that. So now, according to all the conversation, how will we fill in? You have to think and write. Here the answer of that activity is provided. It goes like Rohan. Hello Amita, are you okay? Amita, hi Rohan, I'm good. I look a bit untidy because I was busy cleaning my school playground. As she was looking untidy, Rohan was asking Amita that why she was looking untidy. So she answered that she was cleaning her school playground. So Rohan said, oh, so you were busy cleaning the school playground? Amita, yes. We started at 8 o'clock in the morning and finished it only at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So Rohan said, oh, I see. So you work for more than 5 hours. That whole day of that school, they passed in cleaning the school playground. Now Amita says, yes, but we enjoyed it. I am going to tell my mom that we learned. Accordingly, you can write. So I have written that we have learned the sense of cleaning our environment and keeping our society and surroundings clean. So accordingly, based on this, you can write any answer that you think and the way that it comes into your mind. Here's another activity depending on the chapter that we read. You need to tick the answer and complete the sentences. It is believed that the first home of the orange was A. India, B. Europe, or C. Southeast Asia. So you need to tick the right answer. Complete the sentences. Fruits begin to appear. and then you need to complete the sentence. The next one is the Mediterranean orange is called the blood orange. Why is it called the blood orange? It is mentioned in the explanation of the lesson in the first. Here are the answers to that activity. It is believed that the first home of the orange was Southeast Asia. Then complete the sentences. Fruits begin to appear only after 3 years. The Mediterranean orange is called blood orange as its pulp is deep red in color. Now here is another activity. Complete the dialogues below with the form of the words in the brackets. The words are given to you in the brackets, and now this exercise you have to try for yourself. The words that are given in the bracket, you just need to add an ly and write that into the bracket. The paragraph goes like, a foreigner was visiting a local farm. The farmer was showing him around the farm. We have the biggest fruit in the world, the foreigner said proudly. It's given in the bracket proud. We just had an ly and we write in the blank. Our oranges look like footballs. He continued loud. So loud will become loudly. What about bananas then? The farmer asked, curious. So curious will become curiously. They are as big as towers, replied the foreigner, quick. Quick will become quickly. As he was talking, he stumbled over a watermelon. Accident will become accidentally stumbled over a watermelon. Walk careful. Careful will become carefully. The farmer remarked clever. Clever will become cleverly. You just stepped on a grape. So this is how you need to do the exercise. So this exercise and the previous exercises, after the keywords, you can write them into your note. Now here's one exercise for you to do. Write about your favorite vegetable. You can just write a few, around 10 to 15 sentences or a paragraph about. It should include all these points which I have given below. The description of the vegetable. Description means what taste it has, the size, shape and color, where it is grown. Is it available all throughout the year or only a part of the year? So accordingly, you can write a few sentences on it. How do you like it? Cooked or uncooked? In what way is it good for your health? So depending on whatever favorite vegetable you like, you can make a paragraph, and these points should be there in your paragraph. So all these activities you can do it in your notebook. So thank you.